Hey everyone, welcome back to the All Out Motorsports YouTube channel. I'm your host Alex Bowman. Let's get started. So, got a nice package in the mail for the Camaro. So let's check that out real quick. You can see it's right in this box here. It's a good old oil catch can. So I got this off of Amazon, like 40 bucks. From what I hear, it should be pretty good. Came with the catch can, some tubing, some Teflon tape, and the fittings and bracket that I will need in order to add it to my Camaro. So the reason I wanted to get this is because just kind of help keep oil out of the throttle body. Typically stock, they're totally fine until you start driving them real hard. Some of them will have a lot of oil blow by, and I just want to make sure I'm not getting that at all. So I got the catch can to catch it for me. Let's hope I don't really have to worry about it. I can just put it on there and forget and never really have to empty it. But just in case I do have an engine that has quite a bit of blow by, I want to make sure I'm keeping that from getting into the throttle body. So rest of the video today, we are going to be installing that catch can. Hopefully it goes pretty well. Don't 100% know what I'm doing, but that's part of the fun. Right, so the first thing that needs to be done is getting this engine cover off. I believe to do that, all it is take off the oil fill cap, and then there's a screw right here. If I need to figure out how to get that off, but I believe that's the only other thing holding it on. Yeah. So just need to figure out what to use to get that off. Upon further investigation, I got half of it off, but then I can't get that screw off because I don't have the right tool for it. So I'm gonna have to run out and get that. But in the meantime, I was looking to find where I wanted to place the catch can. And I think what I'm gonna do is put it right about here. And then I can drill a hole right there and mount it right to that bolt. And then run the wire, or run the hoses kind of down this way into it. I was wanting to put it like over here somewhere, but I didn't realize all that stuff was right there. So the only thing I have to do is shave a little bit of that tab off there, so I can get to a better mounting spot. I got my hole drilled in the bracket, catch can mounted on the bracket. So let's go find out if this is going to work how I think it's going to work. Let's see, I already got the bolt out. Let me set you down for a second. I got it in, but it's not exactly how I want it, so I'm going to take it back off and do a little bit more bending, and we'll fit it again. Alright, so I got it in exactly how I wanted it. I mean, at least for what I ended up having to do. Got it in here. You can see right there, nice curves down. I would have liked it to be like straight up and down, but they don't really have the space available for that. So this will have to do, and I'll just have to hope I can get the lines routed around there. So about all I can do right now. I need to run to the store and pick up some line for that, and then that I can attach to this line right here. So catch you guys in a bit. All right, so I just got back from the store. I got all the stuff that I need. I got some fittings and some extra line just in case I don't have enough. The only issue now is that, all right, camera battery died there, but I'm back. Like I was saying, got everything I need, but now it's raining. It was raining a lot more. It's kind of off and on raining now, and I really want to get this done. So I'm probably gonna like pop the hood, and while it's not raining, do some work quick, and then as soon as it starts, close it back, and I'll grab some stuff. There's some stuff I can do in here, like cutting and stuff. So I'll go ahead and work on that, and hopefully we can get this done today. I went and got the right, hold on, there we go. Went and got the right torque screw that I needed, so I got the engine cover taken off. It's actually the first time I've seen my engine without the cover on it. Honestly, kind of cool. I don't know what this thing is. I might actually, I don't know. I kind of like the look without the engine cover on there. But then I also took the catch can back off and closed that up since it's drizzling. There's the engine cover sitting there, and got the catch can here. Just have to Teflon tape these fittings onto there, then put them in, and it'll be ready to go back in the car, and then just hook up the fuel, or not the fuel line, just hook up the hosing. All right, so I got the catch can back on there. Now I'm going to measure out how much line I need. So actually, before, can't forget the hose clamp, and then gonna let's see, that's in. This actually needs to be backwards. There we go. Just stick that on there, and then I'm going to run this down under here. Up to right about there. That should be fantastic. So I just need to make a cut there, and then the scary thing, cutting this part. Got everything installed. Let's give you a look. So this line here, before used to just come and connect right there. Now it runs down through there, under the intake to here, and then back out and right to there. I think it looks pretty good and everything. Actually wasn't too bad. Let's get the engine cover back on, and well, actually before we do that, let's make sure everything works. Make sure I don't feel any air coming from any of these. Nope. Let's see if I feel, I don't know if I will, but no, I don't feel anything. I don't even know if I ever will get anything in there, because when I cut this line, it like there wasn't even any oil or anything in it, so chances are I probably won't ever have anything in there. All right, just started it up. Haven't taken it for a drive yet, but seems like everything's running good, working good, so happy to see that. I just need to do a little cleaning up over here, because when I get into projects, things just get a mess because I don't put them away in the middle of a project. So I need to clean that up, and that'll be pretty much it for today. I'm going to go ahead and end off the video here, so remember to like and subscribe, and peck her up, hammer down.